What's the meaning of confectioner's custard? Confectioner's custard. Confectioner's custard.
Confectioner's custard. Confectioner's custard. Confectioner's custard is a type of custard that is commonly used in baking and pastry making. It is essentially a type of sweet, creamy filling that is made from a mixture of milk, sugar, eggs, and cornstarch or flour. The result is a smooth, velvety texture that can be used to fill pastries, tarts, and cakes. Confectioner's custard is often flavored with vanilla or other complementary flavors, and it can also be colored to match the theme or occasion of the dessert being made. Overall, it adds a rich, luxurious element to baked goods.